Often referred to as the trial of the century, the trial of O.J. Simpson for the murders of his ex-wife, Nicole Brown Simpson, and her acquaintance, Ronald Goldman, pulled media coverage from all over the U.S. When the verdict of the trial was being announced, 91% of people watching the television were watching the jury's verdict, with the verdict alone causing the U.S. to lose $480 million in productivity from so many stopping what they were doing to watch. The amount of evidence found against O.J. was very alarming. From the DNA evidence of O.J.'s blood at the crime scene, Ronald Goldman's blood was found in O.J.'s Ford Bronco. Matching gloves were found at the scene and O.J.'s house, with the glove found at the scene containing blood very similar to O.J.'s. The evidence of prior physical abuse O.J. had done to his ex-wife, and the blood of Nicole being found on O.J.'s sock the day after. However, O.J.'s defense, soon to be coined the Dream Team, used an unorthodox defense against all of the evidence by placing doubt onto the jurors' minds about it all. Using a theory called compromised, contaminated, and corrupted, the defense showed a video of the detective who first investigated the crime scene using racial slurs a near 40 times when referring to African Americans in a short video from 8 years prior. They stated that because of this and previous mishandling of evidence provided reasonable that some, if not all of the evidence could have been planted. This seed of doubt was planted fairly easily into the minds of the near all-black jury sitting on the trial. The jury consisted of 9 African American, 2 Caucasians, and 1 Hispanic, which was only allowed by the prosecution due to the lead prosecutor, Marsha Clark, believing any woman would sympathize with Nicole's situation, as they were trying to prosecute it from the point of view of her abuse leading and growing into the murder or final act of control by O.J., leading to the compromise with 10 members of the jury being women. On the day of the announcement of the verdict, October 3, 1995, O.J. Simpson was found not guilty of 2 counts of murder and was set free.